Good morning everyone, and if you don't follow my channel, please do. I need one more subscriber to do live stuff anyway. It's really weird rules. So I've had a request for make your own lightsabers. So at the moment I'm just printing off all the parts, which is that lot there, for make your own lightsabers. So it makes that lot there. So that request for one of them, so that's in there now. I needed a new paint spraying for my D&D characters. So did that this week, so that's been 3D printed. These just come off. You put double-sided sticky tape or blue tack on the top of them. I was using blue tack, which is quite cool. And then you can just spray and put them in to dry. D&D, so I've been making initiative here. So order of initiative rolls and stuff like that. So Dad fires me anyway. So there's the clan there going on. Finished off painting some characters and started painting my familiar cat and some other bits and pieces, stuff for the ship that I've got. So I thought I'd print off some stuff with that, do some coal bolts at the back there, some other bits for the ship, great big massive catapult there going on. And for a friend of mine who owns Lamass restaurant and bar in town where I frequent quite often during the week, I set up a 3D printer, engraver rather, the laser engraver, cutter, a few modifications because the people that make this are shocking. There's 4 cables hanging out the back there, not heat shrink. The heat shrink freaking finishes there, so every time you open and close it puts strain onto the cables. So I've had to stick all that in place. I've had to do a shocking. I've had to do a T-junction bend there, or an elbow rather, because when you raise this too high the hose gets caught on the lid and then jams that, which you need for airflow, which pushes the pushes air onto the laser, which then you don't get burning on your wood. It's just whoever designs these things are idiots. So I used it as a trial, but yes, I've done these for him for his 3-year anniversary. So they all turned out quite well. That's cable ductwork, which I've got to do once I've finished getting these in the right position. So I finally put it together this week. That's printing off some more stuff there. The filament I've got to put in. There we go, that's what this week's been mainly on. They're all other D&D parts that I've got, the brand that I'm using at the moment for a lot of the D&D stuff.